I want to speak on something. The reason why I choose to come here is because here is my alma mater. If you go out there, you will see how people used to make mockery of those who school in this school. But let me tell you, when you get out there, when you finish your secondary school, you will see if you plan your life, you can compete favorably. You can compete with those who you think that have gone to schools, they pay millions. But there are things that can make you compete, which that's the reason why I'm here. But before then, I want to introduce myself. I'm Mr. Victor, and I am equally the anchor of VixMass. So basically, if you know me or if you follow us on TikTok, you will know that we teach mathematics. And I want to tell you one thing, that you are schooling here, you are actually in the right place. But everything is a choice for you to determine where you will end up being. You have to choose whether to soar beyond the limit of your colleagues, your contemporaries. Now, the basic thing I came here for is, first thing is to talk with you, encourage you, and two, so that I equally know how personally we can help you as a student. Can you listen to me? But before then, let me share a story of my own life. Let me share a story of my own journey. I graduated here in 2016-17. Say 2016-17. And can you listen? After school, it was even hard to go to university. In fact, I didn't have money to, I wrote JAM up to 4 times, and all of the JAM is okay to go to university. But I didn't have money to even pay for school fees. Sometimes I got admission, including nursing, but still I can't further my education. So every of those years I wrote JAM, I usually, please, can somebody celebrate Saobina? He taught me chemistry at some level. So every of those years I wrote JAM. I do try to go to a school called NDA and Police Academy. After I apply for NDA, I will apply for Police Academy. Do you know the reason? Because I didn't have money to pay school fees, and NDA don't pay school fees. So, but I continue pushing. But while doing those things, I engaged myself into, I started increasing by learning. I improved myself in mathematics. I read mathematics, I studied my mathematics, solve questions, and at some point I started teaching. Currently, not by boasting, by God's grace, I'm actually one of the finest teacher. When I mean finest, you are not by beauty, I didn't say beauty, in mathematics. So, and we earn from it. Right now, we earn from it. If you follow me, you must have seen my post. I earn from what I do, and it is not because of the university wall. I've been able to train myself in that university wall through what I do and through mathematics. So as a student, it is in your secondary school, not from what you get from university, that will give you a stamina to survive in the life after school. Can you hear what I'm saying? It is what you gain here, the choice you make here, what you learn in your secondary school. If you fail to learn the things now, if you fail to learn the basic things you need to know, the chemistry, the mathematics, as a science student, learn those things. Those things will pave way. What is putting food on my table today is the mathematics. Some people is chemistry, some people physics and other things. So I've come here to tell you to take your book serious, not just because of somebody. I've come here to admonish you. I've come here to tell you, to encourage you. Last time I spoke about chastity. In most cases, what distracts students, especially in secondary school, is what we call relationship. And relationship, sometimes we go beyond to say what we call friends with benefit. Please, at this point of your life, you don't need anything that will distract your life. You don't need anything. You don't need anything that will temper with your morality. You don't need anything that will temper with your spirit, because it will distract you from focusing. It will distract you from paying full attention to your life, to your education, to your studies. Can you hear me? Before we go further, I would like my colleague, my friends, to equally speak to you.
One of the words of my teacher while I was in SS1, there was something he said that stick to my memory. He said that the impression we create will either make us or mar us. So the way you build your life, the impression you create about yourself now will do two things. It will either make you or mar you. So what we are here is to help you create impressions that will make you and not mar you. Is that understood? Is that understood? Thank you.
I want to actually tell you something, real life story. If you are in JS3, immediately you finish your WAEC, your junior WAEC, two things you should do. First, find a skill in JS3. I mean JS3. Find a skill and learn. Find a skill and learn. You can decide to go into tech. You can decide to learn tech. And for SS3, like there's life after school, life after secondary school is completely different from what you think it is. Can you hear me? It is after secondary school. Do you know that from after secondary school they'll stop giving you some money? I don't even know whether they give you money, because personally, when I said I went to school here. In my secondary school, I don't have opportunity. They don't give me money. I even wonder some people even enter. Sometimes if I'm passing here, I will see some students entering keke. That means people even have money these days. Then I trek from here to Orokono. I will trek. Orokono is even close. So I'm actually urging you, those in SS3, after school, you can learn you can go into techs. You can go into tech. You can learn cryptos too. But that's an advice you weigh after your school. Please find a way to find a path. Find a path to follow after secondary school. Don't waste any single time. You are reading for your job, you are preparing for your school, but know it that sometimes you don't know how fate will happen. But after secondary school, you don't know who will train you in university. Try to find something that can put money in your palms, something that can give you money. And for some of you, it is too naive for you to say after school I cannot teach. You can find a secondary school, you can find a primary school, private, and start. I can sincerely tell you that Teacher Obinna here is one of those who inspire me into teaching, and I'm not doing bad in it. And if I should give you figures, when I started teaching, I wasn't teaching because of money. I was teaching because I want to keep myself busy. One, I don't have to be lazy. I have to earn. My first salary was 9,000 in the first school I taught. The second place was actually 7,000. But today, I will not even teach in the morning. I will go late. I teach from 2 hours. But personally, I will tell you without exaggerating, I will not earn anything less than 500,000 in every month. But I'm telling you, it is from hard work. It's a place of hard work. I've earned it. You have to start it. What I'm trying to tell you is that you have to start from a place. From your junior secondary, I started taking a Sahobina can be a witness. I took my mathematics serious. Among all things, I took my mathematics serious. So I want you to find a place, something you can hold hand. Which one do you hold? If it is mathematics, it will be bad for you to have all the subjects. There's no one you are too good at. I'm not saying you should be good in all of them, but beyond who they want, like let one be. Nobody should dare you in this one. Use one and pass your neighbor. Like there's a gender called I pass my neighbor. Let one subject be your I pass my neighbor. Can you hear me? And you can do well. Trust me, there's no limit that you can go. You can do well, even in JS3 students, junior JS1 students. This is the time you have to put your life. Secondary school is the best level. In university, you don't really have the time to learn. All is your choice. Please put yourself through right now. Make the right choice right now. I'll still be back within this term or next term. But my coming back will not be to talk to you. My coming back will be to gift you some gift. But the gift will not come for free. And it will not, there's no way I'm going to gift everybody. Are you get what I'm saying? So it will come from questioning. But before then, I would like to gift at least two people, JS3 and SS1. But it will still have to be a question. It will be in mathematics. If you're sure of yourself, raise up your hand. I'll call you up. I'll ask you a question that doesn't need solving. It's only the female that have the courage. Okay, yes. Now pay attention. For the junior secondary, okay. Now no problem. Let's make it 3. God bless you. Okay, now the question is this. Can you listen? Yes. 0 raised to power 0.
Zero raised to power is 0.
Okay. Who else? That's wrong.
Are you in junior class?
No, that's for it's a junior question.
Yeah,
Zero raised. Do you have under?
Okay, wait. 0 raised to power 0, right?
Yes.
Yes. What's the answer?
0. That's wrong.
Come. You come. Carry your bag and come, no problem. 0 raised to power 0. I say, come, you tell us the answer.
0 raised to power 0 is negative 0.
That's wrong.
Wrong. Boy, come. 0 raised to power 0.
1.
Please, a sound club. Now, the question for senior secondary will be very elementary. Very, very elementary. Okay. Now, please don't panic. And it is very simple.
She's not panicking.
Now, -2 plus 7.
Yes, bring your hand down.
Plus 5 is correct. I'll give you another question too. Are you with me? Can you listen? So, what is the number of a gross?
12.
That's wrong. The number of a gross. GROSS. Oh no, senior secondary.
Gross. 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 You know it? Come on. My gender is disappointing me.
144 is correct. Please, can you clap for him? Now, I will actually appreciate this, but before now, I will come next. Next time I will come. By then, I must have spoken with my colleague, my alma mater, those who graduated the same from here. So, by then, I will be coming with a lot of gifts, and it won't just be given without question.
He did not tell you that teaching in the class that school pay him 500,000. He said that he's proud to tell you that through teaching mathematics, in a month he can make $500,000. It is not a joke. That was when he told you are doing chemistry, you are doing physics, you are doing maths, English. Be master in one. Be master in one. And then you can see when we see like teachers like us, Asante is standing, they will come and talk to you, teach you, you'll be taking it as a joke. You'll be laughing. But we know that we are creating future. I don't know that is coming here, but have you seen my hard work years ago as my student? He is testifying today. Are you not clapping for me? So please, I will personally invite him next. I would like us to have what we call mathematics online interactive section that will be posted online with the name of our school, so that we can promote our school too. Victor, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. We'll see you next time.